KTTA stock analysis. Thursday, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. Looking at Pasithea Therapeutics, I do see the price going up, 31%, and that's cool. Before I get into it, context, I've gotten thousands of correct predictions, I've spent thousands on courses and mentors, and I've documented everything. With KTTA, we've been melting for a very long time, and then out of nowhere, we started pumping up, right? I'm not trying to exaggerate here, but I've seen this happen thousands of times. You can see how much videos I have done. 35,000. Yeah, videos. That's how much videos I've done. So I've definitely seen what's worked for me, what's not. And in this case, the most likely thing that's about to continue to happen next in my eyes is the short side and even short selling, as long as the price does go up a little bit and then breaks these lows. Right? I'm not just going to immediately short sell, that's well beyond the point, but I'm going to continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.